What's up guys, this is Emmanuel. Today we're going to install a struts for the hood. Let's go ahead and do it. Alright guys, so today we're going to install struts to hold the hood. They're going to be bolted here and with one of these. But first, let's open the struts. Let's see them. Alright guys, these are the struts that I got. This one I got it from Amazon, but the seller from Amazon, he ships this from China. So it took a month or more than a month for me to receive this. So I'm gonna put the link for this one and from another seller that it's in the United States. But this one was like $22, but the one from United States is around $40. So if you wanna pay $22 and you don't care of waiting a month, so you can get this, right? So these are the brackets that goes on the fender, these two, and then the struts, and this one you will put it on the hood with these two, and this one goes here, okay, and this one you slide it inside the hood, and then after you bolt it like this, you pull this one and this will stay there. But it looks like I was checking the image from the seller and on this one, and it looks like he did some modification, because the image the holes that he put this, I don't have those holes on my hood. Let me show you. Okay, you can see it here on the image of the seller. He has another hole here because he has this and there, around there, and I don't have those holes. I have to make those holes. And in here the same thing, he has this one like around there or here, yeah, in there. I think I'm gonna make the holes, so because it already has holes, one more hole is not gonna hurt. So these are universal, you can put it on any car, alright? And to slide the bolt, I'm gonna use that one right there. Alright, as you can see, I have the strut right here. So this is the height I think I'm gonna make the hole right there. So right there is straight like that and that, and it will, I don't think I have to cut that, but we'll see. So I have to make a hole, but I have to be very careful not to hit this part of the hood, because I don't want to have a dent on my hood. Right? So let's make the hole. Remember to wear eyeglass, okay? Eyeglasses. So protect your eyes when you're making the hole. This is a titanium drill bit. This is the one I'm gonna use, and I'm gonna put the link on the description too, just in case you wanna get this. guys, here I made the hole, and this one I made it bigger so I can slide the lock nut. You know, the lock nut that has a wire, I can slide it through there. So let me see if it's the wire fits here. Alright, this is the lug nut. I have to make it bigger. The hole doesn't fit. Alright, so it's very easy to make the holes when you have the right tools, okay? But if you don't have the tools, it's gonna be very hard for you to make the hole. But I'm gonna put the link of all the tools that I've used today. And this hole, I'm gonna use it to slide the lug nut, okay? On this one. So now I'm ready to put the struts. Oh, I need to put this one first. Alright, the first one is there. You can see it there. I hope it doesn't hit anything, but you can see it there. I already removed this thing. You pull hard and this one will stay there. So I still have the other one for the other side. Alright, it's ready. But there's one thing. See, when I move this one, you see, it moves there. I don't know if I have to flip this one, switch this one with the other one, so the strut is gonna be in this area. Maybe it's gonna be stronger. So, but for now I'm gonna leave it like that. But let me show you how it moves. I don't know. If you have like these brackets, put in the comments and let me know if this is normal, because I don't know if this is normal or not. Let's see. You see? It moves the whole fender, but it feels very strong. But in this area, it moves the whole fender. Yeah. You can see it there. The movement. And then if I leave it like this, it's amazing. The idea is pretty cool. It's amazing. Now I don't have to use this one, but I'm not sure about this, because when I try to lower this thing, the fender moves a little bit. Oh, you can see it there, and I don't want to bend it. Let's see it there. Those are the struts for the hood. It's amazing that I don't have to use the thing, the stick to hold the hood. But let me know if you have the same problem that it moves the fender when you are lowering the hood. Put in the comments. Also, I want to give a shout out to Chris Denton, because he got the idea. So thank you, Chris Denton. I'm gonna put the link for his video too. He got another kind of struts, but I'm gonna put his link of the video. Alright? Let me know if you like the video. Please like it, put the comments, what do you think, and subscribe for more videos like this one, and see you on the next video.